My name is Deb Martin and I work at Bicentennial Trail Daycare in the senior room. And today I brought an activity that you can do at home. And you will need a pie plate. You will need construction paper, green or brown, it doesn't matter, or whatever color you have. And first, we're going to take the paper plate and we're going to paint it. So you will need paint, if you have it. And I have also brought eyes, and we're making a turtle. So first, we're gonna paint it. And I chose brown for my turtle today. You can choose whatever color you would like. And first of all, we're gonna paint it. You can paint it any way you want. You can swish it. If you want to, when you're at home, you can grab some newspaper and put it down before you start painting if you think that you're gonna make a mess on the table. So we're just gonna continue to paint it. You can paint the whole thing. And once the whole thing is painted, I'm going to set it aside and we're gonna let it dry. So I've painted most of it. So now we're gonna let it dry. And I'm just gonna put it over here, out of the way, so I don't get any paint. And I had a little bit on my hands. If you want, you can have a paper towel handy too, if you don't like to have dirty hands. Next, we're going to use a piece of construction paper, and you can fold it in half. And you're going to take your scissors, and we're going to just cut a straight line. See how I'm cutting a straight line? You can make it thick or thin, whatever you want. This is going to be your turtle's feet. And here's my strip, and I'm going to fold it in half, just like that. I'm going to take my scissors, and we're going to cut it straight up the middle. And then I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm just going to make a triangle with my scissors from each corner to the center. And then it's going to drop out. The piece will drop out. And these are going to be your turtle's legs. And right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll set those aside. Then what we have next is your turtle's head. I've already cut it out, so if you want to take a pencil, you can just draw on your construction paper a head, and then you can cut it out. I've already done mine. So there's his head. Then next, we're going to need a tail. So with that same piece of construction paper, you can cut a little piece out. Let's say a little piece, just like this. And this is shaped like a triangle. Rectangle. Then we're gonna make it into a triangle. So we're gonna do the same thing as before. We're gonna cut from the corner to the center. And then we'll turn it over, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Corner to the center. Then I have a triangle. And then this is going to be the tail. So we have everything. If you want, you can use tape, or you can use glue, or if you're really handy with a stapler, you can use a staple to staple them on. So now I'm going to take my piece, my pie plate that I painted, and it's dry, and I'm gonna turn it over so the paint side is on the bottom. And I'm gonna take a piece of tape, and I'm gonna stick just one leg on. So I'm using my tape, I'm gonna put it on the plate, and there's my one leg. If you wanna put the head on first, you can put the head on first. Or you can put the tail on first. You can decide what you want to go on first. So now I'm putting the head on. And we're gonna do the same for all the pieces. And if you want to use stapler, you can just put it on and staple it on. It's your choice. Whatever you have at home. Or if you want to use a glue stick, you can use glue. There's my second leg. This is my third leg. And this is my fourth leg, because my turtle is going to have 4 legs. And then the tail. I'm sticking the tail right on the bottom. Then you can turn it over, and there's your turtle. But next, you need some eyes. So we'll put some eyes on. And you can, again, you can use tape, or you can use glue, whatever you want. I chose to use tape today. So I'm gonna put one eye here and one eye here for my turtle. And then I'm gonna use the tape, and I'm gonna stick it on. And there's my turtle. And you can do this at home. And maybe your mommy or daddy can help you do it with the cutting. Or maybe you'll be able to do it all by yourself. But this is the turtle that we made. Thank you. Hope you had fun watching. Stay safe. Bye.